is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and noted public construction trained realtor. Just past Silver Lake, right, Pulte. We're over in Lake Alfred. Some nice homes over here on the left side of the road. The lake is over there as well. I'm a construction trained realtor, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and Florida noted public loan signing agent certification, and a whole bunch of other certifications to help you best along the way. I know most buyers always can fill the gaps, or one of the many things that I do that separates me from all the other realtors. And this has a very interesting name. It's a Gum Lake Preserve, LGI Homes. So we're going to do a little drive around over here and see what we see. So Gum Lake Preserve. Sites actually that look like they're ready. We're getting close to being ready. Oh boy, that was bumpy. Wasn't expecting that. So let's see what we see down here. There's a pond over here, a natural pond to the left. It's nice looking too, actually. I don't normally say that, but it is. So over here there's a lot of, as you can see, there's a lot of home sites. It looks like they're getting ready for roads and whatever else. Pretty interesting, and across the street is a nice looking pond thing too as well. Take a left over here. This is the mailbox area. So mailbox. Roof truss is going up. So it looks like over here on the left, these are villas. Let's see, there's a villa. And actually, across the street is villas too. So villas on the left and right over in this area.